What's up, MELIY gang? And I am back with another food mukbang for y'all. I'm finna go crazy, okay? So this food I'm gonna do is called Dickey's. If y'all don't know what that is, they hit, y'all. Okay, they hit. Y'all gotta go get y'all some Dickey's. It's literally Chapel Hill Road. It's like right by Sonic. Literally near Publix. It's a Publix and Wells Fargo and a Mexican restaurant. Y'all gotta get y'all some Dickey's. It's like yellow sign with the black words. Because y'all, I am back with another food banger, y'all. We finna get lit. So let's get to this video, okay? So I'm on the way to go get Dickey's. When I tell y'all this food be hitting, y'all gotta go try some Dickey's. If you have not already tried Dickey's, if you don't know what that is, go get you some, okay? I'm gonna let y'all know more information, you know, where it's located and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm going through the roundabout. It's a little dark. It's a little dark. It's a little dark. Don't be dropping my baby like that, okay? Don't get your ass beat the fuck up. Yeah, I'm on the way to Dickey's. I'm gonna get to y'all when I make it there, okay? Love y'all. I'm here at Dickey's. Ooh. And like I said before, if you have not tried it, you gotta go try it. I'm gonna just go. Are they open? Yes, sir, they are open. But yes, y'all, I gotta come get y'all Dickey's, okay? And I always get the brisket. I always get the kids' brisket. I don't get the extra stuff. Because I don't ever finish my food. So y'all, this is how the inside look, y'all.
What's the pound of brisket?
I get that right there. Where's the one that I get?
Might need a little bit more than that.
That's fine.
Yeah, this is actually, I get the brisket plate this time. Normally I get the kids brisket, but I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna get copyright in here. Yeah, I couldn't really record in there because I was gonna get copyright, but that's the place right there near Publix. But yeah, that's brisket for you. What I was talking about, it's near Publix. Oh my gosh, it's dark. What I was talking about is right near Publix, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like right there, then Publix is over there. So yeah, if you want to go get y'all some brisket, go get you some brisket. And normally I get the kids plate, but I got the big one this time because I'm hungry. So but yeah, so let me put that right there real quick. Put my bag over there. And I'm gonna get to y'all when I get at a certain spot area so I can be able to eat. Oh, I gotta go. Okay, y'all, so I got it. And I'm about to eat for y'all. They didn't give me my fries that I normally eat. Y'all, when I say this bread be hitting, y'all. I would get the wedges fries. They give me these fries, but it's okay. And normally I don't get mac and cheese, but today I was being fat. Yeah. It's all warm. Y'all, this junk about to be going quick. That's the regular one. Dang, I didn't even ask for shredded. This to me, y'all. I'm about to fuck up my clothes. And they put your little fries in this right here. And they gave me this big ass drink. How was y'all day? Cause my day was long. I went to work early, around 3. Their bread is so soft, and then I don't know why, but I always dip my bread in my sauce, bro. It be This macaroni good, bro. I would sleep on this motherfucker. Okay. I see why sis used to get in. But now my day was pretty good. After work, wash, clean up, did my daily picture taking. On TikTok, y'all follow me on TikTok and IG. It's gonna be in the descriptions, but yeah. I'm already in full. My fries getting cold. Y'all, you gotta get all in there, okay? Whew. My car just running. I'm gonna put gas in there. I'm really getting full. I should never got no freaking brisket plate. Like, girl, stick to the kids' meal. Like, what is you doing? I'm full. I know I wasn't tripping. I'm like, who the fuck walking up? Oh, excuse me. I'll be having to watch my surroundings because motherfuckers be on that weird shit. Dip. I'm really about to help y'all. Because everybody that drive by trying to see who the fuck is in this car. Like, yes, it's me. I'm getting full now. I cannot finish all this. Like, it was good while I lasted, but I can't. Still got this little. I'm gonna try to eat this though. Even though my stomach hurt. Y'all, I'm gonna finish this and I'm done. I'm sorry. I'm full. Let's try a look. I can't eat no more. Okay. I'm done. It's right there. It want to come out so bad, but it don't come out. It does not want to come out. There you go. Excuse me, y'all. Okay, y'all. I finished all I can finish, y'all. I just could not do it. Like, I was really being fat. I don't normally get no brisket plate. I got a brisket plate. I normally get a kid's meal. What did you stick to the kids meal? Cause I couldn't finish all that. I tried, but damn. But now, y'all, if you made it to the end of my video, very much love y'all, because I'm gonna keep coming more with some more food mukbangs. Y'all give me some food below in the comments of what y'all want to see me eat next, okay? But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notification, including all of my social media will be below in the description, so you can stay in tune with me outside of my YouTube, babes. Bye. Come for the next video.